Hey guys, today is March the 6th of 2019. I want to go over the Aussie dollar using Gann price and time technical analysis. So let's look at what I'm seeing here. I haven't done a video in a while, so I figure I kind of catch up. We're getting into some crucial territory here on the Aussie. First off, using this platform I use, it's indicating that we're on wave 5. This green line right here is a seasonal forecast. So right now it's saying that on the 13th, it can make a possible swing low, or the 20th, and then skyrocket it up all the way to, I guess, 5-6, May 6th, somewhere around there. So, you know, I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm just saying that that's what the models are saying. Seasonal models that normally makes a low, and it makes sense because I did some statistics, monthly statistics, and it shows that the month of March, the Aussie normally makes a swing low. So statistically, normally does. So we'll see. Price action is already confirming that, and today's the 6th. Wave 5, so maybe a little more flush, a couple more days, but there's a lot of things that is kind of like, it could be here, it could be a little more, you know, into the future, but we'll see. I'm just showing you what I'm seeing, and then we'll take it one step at a time. Using our analysis, you can see that this is the level that I was watching, is a 360 degree right here from the swing low of January the 3rd of 2019. That's a 360 level, and it's showing that, you know, a timing mechanism on the 6th could be a possible swing low. So that's lining up with this big flush levels here too. There's a 50% level there. You can see that the channels to the downside. Cycles right here is showing that it normally bottoms between tomorrow, the 7th and 8th, and then it goes up. So we'll see how that's going to pan out. Let's see. Elliott trigger, nothing there. MACD negative, Stokes negative. Time clusters, need to work on this. And you can see that there's something on the 11th and on the 13th, a possible swing low. So that's kind of lining up with the seasonal projection line. So we'll see how that goes. I'm flat now. I was short, so I made some money on this move. Now I'm flat because I knew that we were coming into an area of support. I bet it could go further down, but it's fine. Maybe it could kiss this channel down here. But we'll see. Yep, pretty negative. A lot of selling pressure. So that's that on this chart. So we go here. Let's go into our retracement levels, and you can see if I blow this up a little better. Let's see. Right here, we kissed the 50%, and there's a 25% level. So 70-23 and 70-22 is what I call a cluster of levels from different swing points. So that's where we're holding right now. You can see that there is, let's open this, click this here, crossbar. You can see that there is some support here. And if you do the retracements, you can see there's a 25 and a 50. If we can't hold that, then there's another 50%, which is at 69.73. So if they're going to do a fake out and, you know, trap some bulls and bring it down to where it says, you know, the market's just open, March the 13th or the 20th, then this could be a possible target too. It could be kind of sideways, trapping them and then flush them all down. Hit this 50% and then shoot up. But this is just all in theory. I'm just showing you what I'm seeing. But these are levels, key levels. And then from there, it drops all the way down to the 25% and 75%, which is at 68.37 and 68.13. And I'm not saying, you know, it won't go there, but you just got to see where, you know, the Aussie wants to go and see where it could find support. So that's our retracement analysis. Now let's go into the squares and see what's going on there. Let's do the square of nines and see what we got. blow it up a little more. Okay, so there's a little more for the 148.95 degree, which is at 70.14. So that's a possible support. We start building up from there on the floating. Right now it's holding at 70.24, which is at 405 degree level. So there's a cluster below it, which is at 70.14 and at 70.10 maybe. I'm kind of like adding up on top of it just to make this video quick. And that's it. Then there's a big drop under that. So right now that 70.24 is holding. If that can't hold, 70.14. If that can't hold, 70.10. And then there's the big drop I said, which is this big levels, a big cluster, just in case they're going to trap some early bulls, which is at 69.82, which it splits up between, you know, the 360 of the swing low of the January 3rd. So that's like a line in the sand right there. And it could go down there. Using our square of squaring the price of 66.52 swing low. There's nothing supporting it. This is trading days. So you can see that there's nothing there. If we use the squaring the price 81.55, you can see that there is an angle right there. That's why I always look at trading and calendar days. I'm going to show you calendar day. You're going to see that there's nothing supporting it right now on calendar day. But right now we're finding support right here on the trading day using the 81.55 square. Now let's go to the calendar day. And you're going to see that if we square the price itself, 66.52, it's kind of holding there. Blow it up a little more. Let's see. See, it pierced it, but it's kind of chopping around there. And if we use the 81.55 square, you can see that there's nothing there. It's an open space. So that's that. What else? Looking at our square of 9 in regards to dates, you can see that we are right here. Well, the 6th, this is right here. And this is what I'm looking at. Maybe it could be a possibility that on the 7th there's a swing low. But we'll see. And as in the 8th, it's 135 degree. This square 9 here, we're right here. There's a swing high. So, you know, it could be a swing low right here. If not, March the 8th, right here could be the swing low. Anywhere between the 6, 7, and 8. So I'll be watching that. Let's see. And statistically, we can see that the month of March is very bearish. It's made a lot of swing lows on the month of March. Dates to watch. Monday and Tuesdays are normally red, very bearish. And today is Wednesday, so it could be that things could start picking up here. You can see that right here we only have one red, but a lot of green. So today could be maybe the swing low. This is kind of mixed. Thursdays are mixed between Thursdays and red and bullish and bearish. And then Fridays are very positive, very green, very bullish. So that's that. Let's look at the chart. So you can see that right here. Let's see, trend lines, nothing there. This is the Gann grid I have. So we hit the 25% level, which is at 70.23 right there. And that's the price action that we have right now. Blow it up right there. That's the key level we got to watch. Nothing there. This is the Gann grid from the first impulse wave, 25%. We got the 1 by 1 right here, so it's still holding, still strong. Hasn't kissed it, but you know what? It could flush down here and go even, maybe kiss this 50%, which is at 69.73. So we're going to take it one day at a time. Right now, let's see if this low holds. Like I said, there's a couple of dates that we're watching between today, tomorrow, and Friday, and Yeah, Thursday and Friday. So this is going to be a key week to watch. Nothing there. Good. Yep, same thing, same level I'm watching. And our scalping. Let's see over here. Look, we're getting a buy signal right now, pretty early, but it's saying that, you know, bulls are coming in. But a lot of stuff hasn't really turned positive. But I'll be watching it today. You see the momentum slowly is, the pressure to the downside is kind of stalling right here. I'll wait for maybe a couple more yellow here to build up. This to snap back down, and that'll probably be a good entry. Maybe get out of the MOBO band. And if you really want to be less risky, wait till you get above the moving average. Maybe wait till you get all the way up here, pull back, get into sign of strength, and then shoot up. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video. Subscribe on our channel if you like what we do here. I do cover a lot the Aussie because it's my favorite instrument to trade. I cover other stuff, which I don't do videos. I just normally do videos on the Aussie. So any Aussie traders that you like this analysis, just join the family, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the Aussie dollar.